Floor push-ups, also known as regular push-ups, offer a wide range of benefits for your body and overall fitness. Here are some of the advantages of incorporating floor push-ups into your exercise routine. Strengthens chest muscles. Floor push-ups primarily target your pectoral muscles, helping to develop and strengthen your chest. Builds upper body strength. In addition to the chest, push-ups engage your triceps, shoulders, and upper back, promoting overall upper body strength. Core stability. Performing push-ups requires your core muscles to work to stabilize your body, which can help improve your core strength and stability. Improved posture. By strengthening your chest and upper back, push-ups can help improve your posture and reduce the risk of slouching or rounded shoulders. No equipment needed. You can do push-ups anywhere and don't need any special equipment, making them a convenient exercise option for home workouts or when you're on the go. Enhances functional fitness. Push-ups mimic movements you use in daily life, such as pushing open a door or getting up from a lying position, which can enhance your functional fitness. Increases endurance. Regularly performing push-ups can improve your muscular endurance, allowing you to do more repetitions over time. Scalability. Push-ups can be adapted to your fitness level. You can start with easier variations, e.g. knee push-ups, and progress to more challenging forms, e.g. one-arm push-ups. Enhances bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like push-ups can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Boosts metabolism. Strength training. Exercises like push-ups can increase your resting metabolic rate, which helps with weight management and fat loss. Mental benefits. Regular exercise, including push-ups, can release endorphins, reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, and improving your overall mental well-being. Injury prevention. Strengthening your upper body and core through push-ups can help reduce the risk of injuries in other activities and sports. Time efficient. Push-ups can be a time-efficient workout as they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Variety. There are numerous push-up variations, e.g. diamond push-ups, wide grip push-ups, decline push-ups, that can target different muscle groups and add variety to your workout routine. Tracking progress. Since push-ups are easy to track, you can set goals and measure your progress over time, which can be motivating. Full body workout. While push-ups primarily target the upper body, they also engage your lower body to some extent, providing a full body workout. Remember to perform push-ups with proper form to maximize these benefits and reduce the risk of injury. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and repetitions to achieve your fitness goals.